This is Quizlet, Quizlet.com. As you can see, we've got all kinds of different subjects, languages, science, arts and humanities, math, social studies, and then others. And it looks like it's for upper grade levels. Or maybe lower. And lower basic math facts. Let's click on a learn here. 3 times 6 is 12. Oh, nope, 18. That's okay. Up here's a continue button. That we can use. It'll tell me what it's wanting. It's wanting 4 times 8. And as I go, I can go back. There's a little test. Then you can type your answer. Type your answers. It's got matching, the multiple choice, and then we've got multiple choice down here. And then you can true or false. Then you can check the answers. My score is not going to be very high because I didn't fill them all out. Then we can go back. Doesn't want me to lose my progression. And I can type or go see what I needed to fix.
56.
So this was a neat one that I thought would be interesting for all different grade levels.